so my breakfast, sorry, ignore, like, this rug is, like, shedding, so there's little tiny white things, like, all over my carpet there. But anyways, so my breakfast is just, I made, like, a mug cake type thing, and I know it looked really weird and gross, but trust me, it is not. This thing literally tastes like cake, but it's, like, all it is a little bit of water. I put applesauce in there just to make it more moist. I don't like using that word, but I don't know how else to describe it. And then an egg, and I don't know why I'm telling you all that. You guys literally saw it. And then I just top it with the Bowmar butter, and then the berries, I just get frozen mixed berries, and then I microwave them, and it creates like a juice, so it's like, you know, I don't know, almost like a syrup, like you can see it in the bottom there. Yeah. Anyway, so this is my breakfast. Let me show you the time. I woke up at 8. It's 11:21 now, and it's not that I like try and fast or anything afterwards, like just genuinely because like Thanksgiving was yesterday. I was just super full, and yeah, I wasn't hungry until now, but I've already worked out and everything, so this is going to be good because there is a lot of protein in here, but also there's a lot of micronutrients and stuff from the fruit. But yeah, I'm going to eat this, and I will show you guys whenever I eat something next. Okay, hello guys, this is the first time I'm like talking to you face to face so far in this video, but I just made myself a snack. It is 1:19, and I just made a bowl. I have frozen pineapple, mango, and raspberries in there. So I'm just gonna eat this while I watch my movie, and yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to kind of like let you guys know and stuff, like even though the title of this video is like the fact of like getting back on track after like a holiday or something, or a day of indulgence, don't like, I don't know, do not restrict yourself. I don't want people to do that at all. And just because like today I had my breakfast later in the day, don't think I'm like trying to restrict and fast or anything like that. Like genuinely, I just wasn't hungry till then. And you just want to make sure like on the day after, I just try and get a bunch of like micronutrients in and just kind of fill my body with like non-processed things, I guess. So yeah, that is really all I have to say, and I will talk to you guys whenever I eat something next. Okay, as you guys literally just saw me make this though, but just Granny Smith apple, and then the cinnamon crunch Bowmar butter, and then in here it's the Banza chickpea pasta, shrimp, and broccoli, and then I added the pesto, Trader Joe's pesto, pink Himalayan salt, and garlic powder. So this is like, sorry, I'm flipping the camera. This is one of my largest meals, typically like lunches, because most days I work, so I always like to make sure I like fill up before, because I hate being hungry at work. Sorry, this lighting's like really weird right now. I think it's because it's like starting to get darker out, and my window is open if you can't see. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, and for a time reference it is currently 3:50, and then I'm gonna eat this, and then yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys again probably like 10:30 or 11 at night whenever I get home. Hello guys, what is up? I am now home. I'm freaking starving, so I'm gonna stop talking and quickly make myself something to eat. Disclaimer, I'm not a Michigan fan. These are just really comfy sweatpants, so oh, you can't even see it. I'm an OSU fan. Okay, so dinner is done. As you guys just saw me make it, I just used wheat bread, light Miracle Whip, deli turkey, and iceberg lettuce to make this lovely sandwich. I'm like weird, I don't know, I put a crap ton of lettuce on there. I don't know, I just really like it and how crunchy iceberg lettuce is. I'm gonna eat this, and I know how I said like I was starving, but trust me, I'm definitely going to be having something sweet after this. So yeah, this is not like just my dinner, I'm gonna be eating more. Lettuce. Oh my gosh. Guys, she's geeking out over here. You good, bro? This, oh, her paw literally turkey. You have a huge bowl of food out there. Get back. People. Lucy, get back. So like I told you, I was gonna eat something else. It is not that time. By the way, the time is 11:19. So what you just saw me make, I used the protein frosted cookie, Bowmar Nutrition. I used a scoop of that, and then like Cheerio cinnamon crunch or something. I was gonna use half a banana in here, but then I was like, we're just gonna use a whole banana. So I did that, and then the almond milk, or it's an almond milk coconut milk mix is what I use as like the liquid. But yeah, I'm just going to eat this, and this is going to be the end of my full day of eating, and I hope you liked it. And I just want you to know, whenever like the holidays come and then you have like a day of an indulgence or something, do not restrict your calories the next day. That one day is seriously not going to kill you. Just hop right back on track afterwards and go about your life like you were before, and everything will be okay. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.